there, beautiful babies. Welcome back to the greatest show on earth. I'm Anya Army and you're very special to me. As always, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to click the bell. Set the notification to always so you don't miss when I upload. I am back with another hair review. This hair was sent to me by Diva Trust, so shout out to Diva Trust. Thank you so much for sending this gorgeous unit. I'll have it linked down below in the description so you can shop this unit if you love it as much as I do. The scallywag is back again. Scallywag time in full effect. Scallywag, scallywag, oh scallywag. Time for a new wig. Perfect press on the nails. If you haven't already, please go ahead and check out my press on nail shop. Get you some drip, get you looking real nice. Y'all know how much I love doing hair reviews because I be on the worldwide interweb looking like this. Today we are going to do the iconic, much hyped, much loved, much YouTubed Dara wig today. Cut off her little name tag. Tig-a-lig. Y'all, I'm almost at 10K and I'm so excited about it. We're gonna have to do something dope. I'm gonna do like a giveaway. It's gonna be lit. 10K giveaway for sure. That's a duh. Okay, initial thoughts, initial reviews before it even goes on the scally. This is thin compared to like other long wigs that I've had. I know synthetic wigs tend to like thicken up, but unimpressed so far.
I'm not gonna smile in your face and pretend to like your ass. If I don't like you, I don't like you.
Let's get into this cap construction. Okay, ooh. A nice little lace area, especially for it to be synthetic. That is a good bit. Don't mind my missing nails, y'all. I'm about to do it. Okay. BRB. A back lunch was amazing. I took my nails off because I am prepping them. For a synthetic wig, this lace parting space is amazing. And this is one of the reasons why this wig went absolutely viral. Then beside the two lace, we've got these comb and two clip band in the back. Pretty standard. So it parts all the way back there. It is hella transparent. Like you can see where my wig cap is. Look at that. You can see straight clear as day. Oh my god. Nah, that is not it.
No. 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 Hell no. No. I refuse. No.
Wow. Hate that. Oh, but I love how far back it goes. Besides this issue, and trust me, this is a big issue. This is like, you have to do the bald cap method. I don't think there's any other way, because sis, transparent ain't even the word. But otherwise, let's get into it. This part goes back so far, I'm gagging. Alright, let's see how far it goes over, because I live for a side part. Okay, now hold. Wow.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, because talk about living up to its hype. Yes, sis. I am giving NFL girlfriend in this.
Here's to all the gold diggers. If you say athlete after athlete, you ain't nothing but a gold digger.
About to get a ring, okay? Wow. Very much a wife. Okay? Oop. Yes. Let's try the other side. Oh my God. Are you dying, living, gagging? Because I am all of the above. Look at that. That is pretty. Alright, so for the top, let's see, that looks bad too. Wow, awful. It's like too transparent, which is a shame. That's crazy. Way too see-through. I don't want to do the ball cap method for a daggone synthetic wig. That is just doing the most. And it's not sustainable. I'm not gonna do that every day, and I'm not gonna sleep in a wig cap for a synthetic wig. This wig definitely has some drawbacks. For sure there are some definite cons to this wig, especially for as hyped as it was, but I do get the hype because she's gorgeous. Looks wise, she's giving me everything. But looks are about all she's bringing to the table, and even on that front, she's failing. As transparent as it is back here, up here it leaves this weird kind of like Eddie Munster vibes. Okay, so I'm going in with this Got to Be Glued Freeze Blast Spray, Blasting Freeze Spray. And normally I don't do this with synthetic hair, but the way these edges are, it's showing so much of my black hair. I just want to go in and tape these little freeze blast, these little pieces down.
And give you
a princess.
As always, if this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Today I am doing a review on this gorgeous hair, this beautiful unit by, okay, that's not a fly. What is it? It looks like a wasp. It's so big.
That's a fly, baby. It's a house.
They don't have flies in LA.
Yes, they do. What? Who told you that?
Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? Who has been saying that?
I don't know. I've just never seen one.
They don't sound
Oh, they scare me. I'm scared. Oh my God, you guys, look at this fly. I'm gonna try to kill it. 1, 2.
baby, I'm not even kill it. It's a fly.
Oh my God, I killed it. I killed it.
I'm so proud of you, Mama.
It's dead as a doornail.
That's good, baby. That's what you wanted.
Yeah, Yeah. As always, As always, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and click the bell, set the notification to always so you don't miss when I upload.